This is MLA Automation channel and we are starting. Composer. It's a dependency manager for PHP and allow me please to make some introduction about what we're going to cover today. First we need to check if there is PHP on this computer. Since I'm working right now from the Windows 10, and in the shell it shows that from command line it shows that there is no PHP. It's this message it's indicate that on Russian language that there is no any PHP installation on this operation system. At the same time I do have Ubuntu virtual machine on this computer, and there is also no PHP, but much more easier to install it here from the Linux kernel. But my task right now is to show you how to install Composer in Windows 10. So right now I'm going to, there is some small steps and we're going to follow them. All those steps is going to be in the comments, I mean in the description on this video. And first of all we need to download the Visual C++. If there is no Visual C++ on this computer, it will be need to download. Link also will be in the description from the official website. And I just downloaded, so I'm going to go to my downloads. I'm using Total Commander, and it's much more easier to find everything on this computer. So I'm going to downloads folder, and this is file which is Visual C++. We're going to it's my apologies, it's on Russian, so please forgive me that this information you currently see also on Russian language. So which Visual C++ have been installed on this computer, and now we need to follow to go on another link, and I'm going to previously I downloaded this zip file, which is version PHP 8.0, and it is already available in the folder downloads, and we'll be need to place it in the available place. I'm recommend to place it directly to the on disk C, since my old folders on the F, because I'm using two different HDD, and that's why everything on the F. But please, the recommendation is to use disk C. Okay, so there is the folder Docker Laravel, and I'm going to, oh my apologies, there is a folder PHP 8, and everything was copied from this archive to this folder, and this is important because we will be needing in the future the path to this folder. And going back to next step, so we downloaded Visual C++, installed, downloaded and extracted PHP file, PHP files to folder, and now we are ready to download the composer itself. So since we have Windows, we're going to download this composer setup file, and he is there. Now we're going to launch it. Install for all users. Okay. Next. Choose the command line PHP you want to use. Okay, so this is why we need to mention the path which we used before, and this is PHP exe file which will be need to mention. Add this to your path. Yes. It's also important to place this check and go on the next step. Now we see that the PHP file is missing. Setup can create one for you. Okay, create PHP any file. Yes, please. We're not going to use the proxy server in terms of current task, and now we're ready to install it. So installation almost finished, and we're ready to check if PHP available. Let me close please the terminal and then run once more again. PHP. Okay, so we see composer automatically wrote added in direction of folder where we have PHP 8002, and now we are ready to go to another step. So we had successfully installed composer, and we just check PHP. He is available in the shell of Windows in the terminal, and that's why this fifth step is optional. In case if a composer is not added, in case if a composer some reasons didn't add the path to the PHP file, in this case we need to manually place path in environment variables to Windows. So we avoiding this step, and we're going to this step number 6. It's to test composer. Going back to terminal, and we're going to place composer V and to check it. Yes, we see that composer is there, and we're ready to use it. It's usually this information, everything about the commands, about the possibilities, how to use composer. So we see that composer is available and working fine. It's great, and we just finished our task. So thank you so much everyone who was during this short session, and wishing you to have easy and successful installation of composer for Windows, and have a great beautiful day. Thank you, bye bye.